Grab some unpainted mini crates at the dollar store for a perfect storage system. Start by arranging the crates in any pattern you like and as large or small as you need. The crates can be vertical or horizontal, with the opening facing forward or on top. Once you have a satisfying arrangement, begin attaching the crates to one another. You can use wood glue or woodworking glue sticks for your hot glue gun. Use clamps to secure and let dry. For added security, staple the crates together using a staple gun. Now it's time to paint. You can use either spray paint or acrylic paint, applying as many coats as you need. Let dry completely. Your storage system is now ready to use. Drill holes in the back to hang on a wall or place on a countertop.
The dollar store has all sorts of glass storage containers. Grab a short glass container with a screw-on lid. Take a large marble and glue it to the center of the lid. Next, spray paint both the glass container and the screw-on lid with an ultra matte black spray paint. To style your new jar, take a small wood cutting board from the kitchen and use it as a tray to hold the jar and other beauty products that you want to keep handy. Head to the garden section, grab one of their metal French garden buckets. Give the entire bucket several light coats of overspray with some white spray paint. Now, take a black paint pen. Once the pen is primed, test the width of the pen on the back side of the bucket. Once you get a feel for how much pressure to apply, start to outline the bottom rim of the bucket with the paint pen. Let that dry, and then start to outline the lettering on the bucket. The straight lines were pretty easy for me, but I had to really pay attention when outlining the curves. Once the letters have dried, outline the top rim of the bucket. Next, take some old drawer knobs, perhaps from another project, and glue the knob to the bottom of the bucket with a strong, clear adhesive glue. Style on a bathroom counter beside a sink by filling with hand soap, hand sanitizer, and paper hand towels. When you are in the container aisle of the dollar store, pick up a couple of white wire shelves. Flip one shelf upside down and lay the second shelf on top, overlapping about a third of the shelf. Now take some zip ties and connect the shelves together. Be sure to pull tight on the zip ties so the shelves are securely tied to each other, and then cut the excess zip ties. Remove the rubber tips from the ends of the shelves. Grab each arm on the shelves and bend them from their 90-degree angle to about a 45-degree angle. Next, give the entire shelf unit a coat of spray paint in the color of your choosing. This is the perfect shelf caddy for holding rolled up hand towels and washcloths in any bathroom of your house. I hope this inspired you to take some inexpensive jars, shelves, and buckets from the dollar store and transform them into functional and fun decor for your bathroom.
Next time you're at Dollar Tree, scoop up some of the white wire baskets and head over to the kitchen section and grab yourself a paper towel holder. I'm going to take the paper towel holder as well as 2 of their white round baskets. Then I'm going to take the paper towel holder and place it on the bottom like you see here, just so that I can find the middle of the paper towel holder and then cut out the wire basket just in the middle. You want to make sure that it's directly in the middle so that your basket sits straight. You're going to slide it over top of the wire holder, and then you're going to secure it in place with some zip ties at the bottom. Once you have this first basket on the bottom tight and secure, you're next going to take your second wire basket and you're going to line it up on the bottom again and cut out the middle portion of the wire basket. And again, making sure it's directly in the middle so your basket sits straight. You're going to place it on your paper towel holder and put it at your desired height, and then you're going to place some zip ties around the paper towel holder to give it a little bit of a ledge to sit on. So I've used about 4 zip ties here and placed them in place like you see. Then you're going to come in with some E6000 and you're going to secure it all around the zip ties to give it extra security. You're going to let that set for at least 12 to 24 hours, and then you can spray paint it your favorite color. I chose a nice gold here, and I'm using it in my bathroom to store lotions and sprays. But this idea also works great in the kitchen or in your office or anywhere else in your home.
Don't throw away your old glass jars with lids. I took my jars, cleaned them out really well, making sure to clean also under the lid. I picked up some black candle holders from the dollar store and also 2 little wooden knobs from the hardware store. I used a hot glue gun to place the knobs on top of the lids and let those dry. In the meantime, I also took my jars and adhered those to the candle holders. Once my lids with the knobs were dry, I took them outside and gave them a little coat of black spray paint. Then all I had to do was fill my jars with things that I wanted in the bathroom, and I placed my newly painted lids right on top. They screwed into place perfectly. I love the way they make the bathroom look, and they allow me to have some things that I use all the time out in the open in a pretty way. You can also add a label if you want to take it one step further. I hope this will inspire you to upcycle your glass jars with lids.
To start this project, take a paper towel holder and some zip ties from Dollar Tree. Loop the zip ties around the paper towel stand one by one, evenly spaced and secure in place. Go all the way up the stand with zip ties. Take scissors and cut off the excess of the zip tie. Use a mini hot glue gun to add little dots of hot glue to make sure the zip ties stay in place. Cover the entire stand with gold spray paint and allow plenty of time to dry between coats. When the stand has dried, place it in your desired location and use it as easy storage. For project 2, take a clear adhesive hook from Dollar Tree and a paper towel holder. Add toilet paper rolls and you have easy and inexpensive toilet paper storage. Place scrunchies and hair ties over the top and you have an easy and cheap storage solution.
Head to Dollar Tree and pick up plastic storage drawers. Take 6 plastic drawers, hot glue them together in a stacking formation, and then attach each stack to each other from the side. Take wood cubes and hot glue them under the drawers, on the corners, and through the middle. Take 4 mirrors and hot glue them to the sides and the top of the drawers. Add beads and hot glue to add a decorative trim. Take 4 more mirrors and flip them face down next to each other on a level work surface. Take paint stir sticks and cut them to size. Hot glue them to the backs of the mirrors to attach them all together. Flip the mirror over and glue nautical rope to the edges. Add the mirrors to the upper portion of a paper towel holder and then place the holder back under the drawers. There you have it, a cheap way to create your own makeup skincare organizer on a budget. I hope this inspired you to try this project in your home.
Head to your local Dollar Tree to pick up 2 round baking pans, a bag of marbles, jute rope, twine, 4 gold baskets, and a paper towel holder. Start by hot gluing the paper towel holder in the center of one pan. Hot glue rope starting from the outer edge and work your way in. And work your way up the center of the paper towel holder. Continue gluing and wrapping rope around the paper towel holder until reaching the top. Take twine and baskets and wrap, tie, and secure them on either side of the paper towel holder center. Take the second round pan and pour marbles into it. Place the top pan and the baskets on top. Then use it as you see fit in your home as a spinning produce basket or as a spinning storage for bathroom supplies. There you have it, a cheap way to create your own easy DIY spinning storage for your home for less than $15.